So now guys, we will continue in this Spirograph code, and I would like to create a function from this for cycle. Why? Because you saw that if I will change this number, it should be changed this number. So how it's set? If the cycle goes 36 times, so it means that the turn left has to be 10, correct? And it means 36 multiplied by 10 in 360. So the result has to be 360 because this whole circle, okay? If it will goes like this, here will be 72. So it means here has to be how many? 5, okay? Because 72 multiplied by 5 is again 360. So if I put here number 1, for example, or like this, if I put here 360, so it means it should be like this. Here should be 1. Okay, so the turn left will be about 1 degree. Okay, because 360 multiplied by 1, it's still 360. And there can be a different combination as well. Okay, so we know that it goes like this. So we can create a function, and we can call it Spirograph, for example, and we have to send here. We can call it a gap. Gap, it means how it will be shift. Okay, so it means if I will call the Spirograph here, and for example, I can take this situation, okay? So it means the gap will be 1 degree, okay? So I will put here 1. So it means here is 1. So here has to be 360, okay? Because the for cycle has to go 360 times because the angle is, or we shift the turtle about 1 angle. Or about 1 degree, okay? And 1 degree multiplied by 360, it's 360 degrees, okay? But how we reach this number? This number is reached by 360 divided by gap, okay? And that's the point. But here is the problem, because in range there has to be an integer, okay? And you can put here a different number, for example, I don't know, 4, 5, 8, and so on. So it's possible that here will be a float, it means decimal number. So I would suppose to create it like this. So it means you can change this number to integer, and after that the range has an integer and everything should be fine. So if you put here the gap will be some number, and this division will end with float, so it means this will convert the float to integer, because the range has or needs integer, the whole number, okay? So it goes like this, and here is what? It's the gap, correct? So if I will check it, so here is number 1, so it means the gap is number 1, okay? Here is 360 divided by 1, so it's 360, it's correct, and the gap is 1. 1 multiplied by 360 is 360, perfect. If I will put here number 5, so it means it's this situation. So here is number 5, so it means 360 divided by 5 is 72, so here will be 72. We will convert to integer, so that's okay. We have a range 72, and the gap it's 5, correct? It's here 5. So 5 multiplied by 72 is 360. Perfect, it works. So if I will put here, for example, the gap 10, so it means here will goes the 10. 360 divided by 10 is how many? 36. We will convert to integer, so 36, and gap is 10. 36 multiplied by 10, it goes here, it's 360. Okay, perfect. So now we have a function for it, and it's so much simpler to work with. to work with our code. So if I put here 10 and run it, it looks like this. If I will put here not 10, for example 5, it goes like this. There are more circles. And if I put here number 1, it goes like this. Okay, there are lots of circles, so 360 circles, correct? Because the turtle move to the left about 1 degree. Okay, and it looks like this. It's a little bit crazy, but okay. But it looks fine. Okay, this is our spirograph. So perfect. So now you can see how simple you can change it. You can create more spirographs if you want, and that's great. So you could create something like this, but I don't know what it will done. For example, here 10, here will be 5, and here will be number 1. So if you will create it, it will be spirograph in spirograph. Okay, now it will create the second one, and now it will create the third one. Okay. Oh, I think you got it. Okay, so it's up to you, and you can see how efficient you can work with the code if you create a function. So I hope you understand the math behind, and we will see in another video.